So how do you change your password on Facebook? Well, on a computer, click the little arrow in the top right hand corner. Then click on Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Settings. Now click on Security and Login. In this menu, scroll down until you find Change Password. Click on that and it will ask you for your current password. So you need to enter that into the box. Once you've done that, create a new password, confirm it, and don't forget to save the changes. But what about on a mobile phone? Well, click the three lines, then click Settings. Scroll down until you come to the Security and Login. Click that, and this is well worth considering, but for now we'll just click Change Password. Put in your current password and then create a new hard to guess password, and don't forget to update it.